Samsung has launched and added one more smartphone to its portfolio of Galaxy A smartphones. This one is called the Samsung Galaxy A80. Here's our first look. The Galaxy A80 sports a 6.7-inch Full HD Plus Super AMOLED display and comes with Dolby Atmos integration for better audio output with headphones or Bluetooth speakers. The smartphone runs One UI on top of Android 9 Pie and is powered by the Qualcomm Snapdragon 730G SoC coupled with 8GB of RAM. Of course, the biggest highlight of the smartphone is its rotating camera that comprises of a triple camera setup. This includes a 48MP primary sensor, an 8MP secondary ultra-wide lens alongside a 3D camera for depth mapping. As for the selfies, whenever a user will select the selfie mode, the three cameras will automatically pop up and rotate to the front. Nifty, isn't it? So, this new rotating camera mechanism helps in two ways. First, it helps the smartphone in attaining a notchless display, and second, it makes the rear camera usable for taking selfies as well. Other features include a super steady video mode, scene optimizer with detection for 30 scenes, and flaw detection. Moving ahead, the dual SIM smartphone comes with 128GB of inbuilt storage, which isn't expandable via microSD. Apart from that, there's a 3700 mAh battery under the hood with support for fast charging at 25 watts. The company is also boasting of an intelligent performance enhancer that uses AI for performance optimization. Samsung didn't reveal the pricing and availability details of the Galaxy A80, but did say that the smartphone will be made available in Angel Gold, Ghost White, and Phantom Black color options. That was our first look at the Samsung Galaxy A80. For more tech news and reviews, do visit gadgets360.com.